We rely on knowing Earth's true shape for all space travel and global navigation. We will explore key scientific proofs that confirm Earth is a sphere, not a flat disk. Scientists determined long ago that Earth is shaped like an oblate spheroid, slightly wider at the middle. This shape is caused by the centrifugal force of the planet spinning over billions of years. First, we examine the curvature of the horizon, a proof observed by ancient mariners. When ships sail away, their hulls disappear first, followed by their masts and sails. If the Earth were flat, the entire ship would simply shrink in size until it vanished from view all at once. Next, consider the shadow Earth casts upon the Moon during a lunar eclipse. This shadow is always circular and curved, no matter the angle or time of year. Only a spherical object can cast a consistently round shadow from any position in space. Building on physical proofs, we look at Foucault's pendulum, which demonstrates Earth's continuous rotation. A large pendulum set swinging freely will appear to slowly shift its plane of movement over a full day. This apparent shift proves the ground beneath the pendulum is rotating while the pendulum keeps swinging in one direction. Let us apply the horizon proof to an object you see leaving the harbor. As a large freighter moves 5 miles out to sea, you can only see the top of its smokestack. The rest of the freighter is hidden below the visible curve of the ocean's surface. Think about what you would observe if the entire water surface was completely flat like a massive table. If the Earth were flat, you would see the freighter's entire side clearly, though it would look very small. We have seen that the consistently round shadow, the curved horizon, and the shifting pendulum all prove a spherical Earth. The overwhelming scientific data confirms the Earth is a rotating oblate spheroid, ready for us to continue exploring its physics. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.